One new Kingston 22x90 gap bed lathe weighing 6,600 pounds, featuring 10 horsepower main motor, D18 camlock spindle, 4-inch spindle bore, 12 speeds from 13 to 1200 RPM with inching button and foot brake. Comprehensive feed and threading gearbox, including inch metric threading. 16-inch wide hardened and ground bedways. 31 inches in the gap. Rapid traverse on longitudinal axis. Automatic cross and longitudinal feeds. Centralized lubrication on saddle. 5 Morse tapered 2-speed tailstock. Coolant system with full-length splash guard. Automatic longitudinal stops. Shown with 4-way tool post. Halogen light. Roller steady rest.